Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Today we will discuss 5 important compliments that you will hear in everyday life in spoken Egyptian. Let's start with the first one. Vocabulary doesn't stay the same, so every now and then we hear new words that come to existence based on the interaction with different cultures, especially in the time of internet and time of open exposure to different cultures with easiness due to the smartphone and the internet and so on. We have here these important complement words, and they are totally new and they are used today. The first one that we hear is muz or muzza, okay? Muz or muzza is a very daily word that means attractive in English, okay? So muz or muzza usually is said by young generation. It means this guy is attractive, we say muz, and this girl is attractive, we say muzza. Okay, so you hear this word always among the young generation. Our second word here is gamid, and the feminine is gamda. Gamid or gamda, it means actually hard. When something is gamid, it means it's a hard thing, okay? But gamid here, when we have it as an adjective for people, it means this person is powerful, okay? Powerful, he can manage. He knows what he is saying, okay? Or he can deal with different situations with wisdom. Okay, so gamid here, it means that this person is not an easy person. He has a sharp mind and he has a personality and he can manage in difficult situations. So we say gamid for masculine and the gamda for feminine. So this guy, الولد ده جامد. He is really a managed guy. He can do and can perform in difficult situations. GADA or GADA. GADA masculine and GADA feminine. GADA, it means this person is trustworthy, supportive, and also respectable. Okay, so when we say somebody is GADA, it means you can depend on this person. Depend on this person. He knows how to behave in situations. He is supportive to others. Okay, he is well-mannered. So GADA is a collective or a general term that gives you all these meanings all at once. So usually Egyptians, especially among each other and in the rural areas, and so they say GADA a lot. So this person is GADA. Okay, is GADA. He is respectable and you can depend on him in any situation. The feminine for GADA is GADA. Ibn Nas, Bint Nas. Ibn Nas masculine and Bint Nas feminine. Ibn, it means a son. Bint, daughter, okay? Nas, people. So when we say Ibn Nas, it means son of people or daughter of people. What does it mean? It doesn't have any sense. Okay, son of people, this is totally normal. No. As an expression in Egyptian, we say Ibn Nas. It means that this person is well raised. Okay, he used to have knowledge of what should be done or what shouldn't be done, especially when it comes to etiquette and social interaction with people. Okay, so Ibn Nas, it means that this person knows the etiquette and knows how to respond, how to behave. Okay, how to behave. So not everybody is Ibn Nas or Bint Nas. And when Egyptians, they are on the verge of marriage and they are ready for this step, usually males and females, they are always in continuous search for Ibn Nas or Bint Nas. Another word for it is Ibn al-Usul or Bint al-Usul. Ibn al-Usul or Bint al-Usul is very similar to Ibn Nas. It means that he knows the manners, al-Usul, okay, the original manners of the families, okay, when they are deal with each other. He is well raised and knows inside his house what to be done. Okay, what should be done and what shouldn't be done. The social etiquette that Egyptians are raised on. Okay, so ابن الناس or ابن الأصول, بنت الناس or بنت الأصول is a very important word that you may hear as a compliment many times in social life on daily basis. Our last word here is صايع or صيعة. صايع or صيعة, it has actually two meanings or two different meanings. The first one is considered a good meaning or a preferable meaning. A second one is a bad meaning. صايع, when we have the adjective of صايع or describe somebody of being a صايع in a negative way, this means that this person has no job, has no future, or he is not responsible and he is doing whatever he wants without any kind of future plans. Okay, so he is really not a good candidate for marriage because he is صايع, he doesn't have a future. Okay, so this is a negative meaning. The positive meaning about صايع, where Egyptians love this meaning but say also صايع, it means that this person is not naive. Okay, so when you say هو صايع, in a good way, it means not that he doesn't have a future, no, but it means that he is not naive. Okay, he has seen a lot. Okay, he has seen a lot. Therefore, he is wise and he has a good thinking and he has good experience. Okay, so صايع is another, let's say, daily or a casual meaning of an experienced, especially when it comes to relationships. Okay, so when you say this person is صايع, it doesn't mean that he has no future, but it means in a good way that this person is not naive. This person has experience from maybe relationships or have seen people who is not a naive person that he can accept anything. Okay, so صايع in a good way. The feminine word for صايع is صيعة. Okay, صايع, صيعة. Now you know 5 important complement words that are very common in spoken Egyptian today. You know مز or مزة, جدع, جامد, ابن ناس, صايع. And you know also the feminine words for these ones, or the feminine form of these words. If you like this episode, don't forget to give me a big like, and don't forget also to subscribe to Linguamid. Also, as I always say, don't forget to download your version of free Egyptian 101 guide. You'll find the link in the description box and also in the first comment. And if you have any question, just drop me a comment below. Thank you and see you in a future episode.